A Foundation for Kids is a nonprofit organization that was founded in 1999. It is located in the city of Riverside, California. Their main focus is supporting abused and at-risk children in the surrounding areas. They provide goods and services for over 35 children's homes and foster family agencies, serving 20,000 children and providing gifts and holiday wishes through a region-wide gift-giving program. Not only do they donate directly to group homes and other nonprofits, but A Foundation for Kids also hosts and sponsors many events in the community. Some examples of these events are picnics, festivals, and shopping days. One of the monthly events that they participate in, along with the city of Riverside, is called Reading with the Mayor, at which every child receives a book to read along with Mayor Bailey of Riverside at a public library. A Foundation for Kids relies heavily on two aspects: donations and volunteer work. They work side by side with a large network of companies to keep inventory up. Many large companies donate goods, including Leapfrog, Kohl's, Carter's, Converse, and CM School Supply. They also work with the University of Southern California. They sponsor USC's community outreach program, Kids Corner. The foundation has served over 2,000 kids from schools and nonprofit organizations a free tailgate lunch before the first home game of the season. Upon our first contact with the company, we spoke with Danielle McQueen, Operations Manager, and Mark Chow, CEO of A Foundation for Kids. We discussed the long-term and short-term goals of the company, which include expansion into other areas outside of Southern California, including Northern California, Washington, and Mexico, and also the procurement of other heavy machinery, including trucks and forklifts. Our next step was to tour the warehouse. They currently operate out of a 1,700 square foot warehouse, which includes their office space. As you can see, the warehouse is at maximum capacity. The inventory turnover rate is low, so they receive shipments on a daily basis, but are constantly out of room to store everything. This is why the foundation works with 3 other warehouses that donate storage space to them. But because storage space is donated, the donating companies can at any time request the foundation remove their goods. Upon our second visit, we met with each employee and asked them to define their daily tasks and operating procedures so that we could determine the life cycle of the information for the organization. This data was then entered into the raw matrix for us to analyze. During this visit, Danielle expressed her frustration with creating the previous year's Christmas gift tags. To resolve this problem, we suggested using Google Docs to create a form and gather the information required for the name tags. We then downloaded the information into an Excel spreadsheet and performed mail merge with Microsoft Word. Doing this, we created labels for each of the gift tags. After analyzing the data gathered and discussing the options with the company, it was concluded that based on the goals of the company, it would need an ERP system that handled accounting, logistics, HR, and inventory control. We then analyzed the information gathered to create potential solutions that would be both user-friendly and adaptable to growth and change, while still being economical due to the organization's limited funds. Based on the criteria and the information from the life cycle, the best solution to minimize their challenges was the creation of an ERP system. It was agreed that using Microsoft Access 2013 would be the optimal solution. The ERP system we developed includes inventory control, accounting and finance, human resource management, and logistics. It also includes links to the organization's Facebook page, Gmail accounts, and QuickBooks. This system is designed to allow all users access, but limits access based on their level within the organization. This information will enable the organization to accurately create financial documents for grant applications as well as government reporting, while reducing the amount of information that is stored on paper. In addition to paper reduction, we introduced them to the concept of cloud computing as another outlet for data storage. To aid the members of the organization with the implementation and the use of these solutions, we are demonstrating and encouraging them to practice using the system by running mock trials and tests. This will allow any errors or necessary changes to be made and found without slowing down or altering vital information. Overall, our main suggestions for the organization were to integrate an ERP system, develop a system to handle gift registries, and improve their business practices from paper to computer. We hope our ERP module and Excel database will help a foundation for kids move forward in integrating all their business processes to help them become more organized and efficient. We would like to thank a Foundation for Kids for opening their doors to allow us the opportunity to gain hands-on experience in such an important organization within our community, both locally and nationally. We hope that our suggestions will enable them to grow and expand their reach, thus ensuring children and families in need are not going without.